Hi Year 1. This week we've been reading Giraffes Can't Dance, and today we're going to continue with that. We're going to look at how well you understand what has happened in the text. So we're going to start with a few different questions and we're going to get trickier as we go. So the first one I have for you is, what did the lions do when Gerald walked onto the stage? Now I need you to think not just about the answer, but how you knew what the lions did when he walked onto the stage. You can pause it here and talk to the person helping you about your answers. Here's the next question. What did the animals all do when he walked onto the stage? Again, I want you to tell the person helping you what your answer is, but also how did you know the answer? Here's your next question. How was Gerald feeling as he walked towards the dance floor? Again, the answer is here. You need to think about how he was feeling and then tell again the person helping you how you knew that answer. Now, I'm guessing that when you answered that last question, you had to think just a little bit harder about it because the answer wasn't right there in the text. You had to use what's called inferring. You had to use the clues from the pictures and the words to decide what was happening. So sometimes when we're making meaning from text, we have to be text detectives. We have to use the clues that are given to us not just in the writing but in the illustrations as well to work out what's happening. Okay, and that's called inferring. And really good readers work on their inferring skills. They can infer quite easily. So what I'm going to do today is show you some of the things from my handbag, and you're going to be detectives and see what you can work out about these items. So the first one is, I'll show you. These are my car keys. What can you infer from my car keys? I have some car keys. Yeah, you can probably infer that I drive a car. I have a license to drive a car. Okay, let's try a different one. Oh, I actually have these on right now, but you can infer that, yeah, I need glasses sometimes, particularly when I'm in front of the computer. Okay, if I look at my purse, inside I have, will it show you? I have my swimming pool pass. What can you infer from that? Okay, it doesn't say anything apart from that I have permission to get into the pool. You can probably infer that, yeah, I like to swim. Okay, so you've just used your detective skills, you've inferred some things that you might not have known about me, but those things give you the clues. Okay, so when you answered this last question, how was Gerald feeling as he walked towards the dance floor? You inferred. You could see that it said, Gerald swallowed bravely as he walked towards the floor. You can also see in the picture that his tail is between his legs. Okay, and if I think about what I know about animals, if I see a dog walking towards me with its tail between its legs, I know it's feeling a bit scared, a bit timid. What you need to do today is use your detective skills to write about how Gerald was feeling in these 2 pages. What clues did you find? You need to include this in your writing as well. Okay, so go back, look at these 2 pages about when Gerald was heading towards the dance floor and when he first started to think about dancing, and make some inferences. Remember, that's not the answers right there in the text. That's using what you know and the clues in the page to help you. Again, send me your work when you're done. I'd love to see it.